Looks like Kansas City and Pleasant Hill got smacked with flood warnings.
Yeah, we're live. We are live.
Yeah. We have a moderate risk of severe weather today because I am monitoring Wichita, Kansas.
Let's see. Okay. So, who joined?
I've been here.
I'm live. Be professional.
Yes, sir. I saw your notification.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So,
We have a high-end moderate. There's
So, anybody tuning
a
in right now?
50% level 2 sig.
Anybody tuning in right now? We have a day one moderate risk, a high-end moderate risk day across central and northeastern Kansas and southeastern Nebraska.
There is a chance that southeastern Nebraska could possibly they could possibly end up getting the tornado watch there.
Yeah, we will. We will be probably be getting a PDX tornado watch today.
Yeah, it's a possibility there that a PDS tornado watch could be possible.
We have a. Let me go to my live stream on my phone before I do anything else.
So got a moderate risk of severe weather, and of course I'm gonna do look up at weather wise. This goes from Wichita, Kansas, all the way up towards all the way up to Maryville and Clarinda, Iowa. Yeah, this also goes all the way up towards Nebraska City. This all the way up towards all the way up to Maryville and Clarinda, Iowa. Yeah, this also goes all the way up towards Nebraska City. This is all the way up towards.
Oh, let's act like I turn my phone volume down.
Oh yeah. So
Who is
what we got
this?
here is I'm looking at the tornado
Spanish.
driven. This is a 15% level 2 SIG. This is a level 2 SIG, 15% risk for tornado driven because despite the fact being a high and moderate there.
It's someone speaking Spanish in chat, but we have a 15% SIG level 2 for Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Salina, Manhattan, and Huntington, Kansas. 15% for those areas. 15% for Wichita, Topeka, St. Joseph, Missouri, Salina, and Manhattan,
Yeah.
Kansas. We also have a 10%, which is hatched by SIG level 1. Kansas, Omaha, Des Moines, Overland Park, Kansas City. We have 5% for Lincoln, Springfield, Cedar Rapids, Independence, Columbus, Missouri. Columbia, Missouri. That's the tornado risk today. We haven't gotten to the worst part yet. But we will be seeing a few intense tornadoes likely up to EF3 strength and EF3 intensity expected today.
Yeah, and possibly an EF4 could be possible.
We could have but the main thing is we could see a few intense tornadoes expected today across the 15 and 10% hatched areas, especially along that SIG level 2, which is the thicker hatching area. That's the primary risk today.
Yeah. Some 10% tornadoes could have a level 2 SIG there, which is a high end enhance. Yeah, some of these areas that could, such as Great Bend, Kansas, is under like a very high end enhanced risk or something like that, which could end up seeing strong tornadoes there, especially in a 10% level two sig, but most likely in a 15% level two sig as well.
So here we have a wind risk. Today, the wind risk, we have a 30% sig level 1 wind risk, which is pretty big. It's pretty widespread. It goes throughout the entire enhanced risk area. Am I still alive?
Yeah, which goes all the way up towards Des Moines, Iowa, as well as possibly into Fort Dodge, which is close to being in one.
So we have the wind risk is a 30% sig level 1. It includes Kansas, Omaha, Wichita, Lincoln, and Des Moines, Iowa. Anybody in these major cities have a widespread possibility for 70 miles per hour wind gusts throughout the area today.
Yeah, possibly up to 80 miles per hour.
But that's like sig level 2, somewhere around there. Somewhere around 80 miles per hour. You could have wind speeds up to 80 miles per hour today. But eastern Kansas, northwestern Missouri, southeastern Nebraska, and southern Iowa, you're in that 30%, sig level 1. Now, time with the primary risk today. The primary risk today is very large hail up to 4 inches in diameter today. Could be a possibility, or even larger.
Which
We-
is softballs.
We could have softball sized hail today. The primary risk area. Is by far Wichita, Kansas, around that area. East central, eastern Kansas. You are in the 45% sig level 2 area. This risk is almost maxed out. It's almost maxed out. It's
it's almost maxed out. So yeah, it's almost maxed out with even with the 45% level 2 sig hail risk being in place for Wichita and Topeka, Kansas. We could be seeing like giant hail up to the size of softballs, or even up to the size of grapefruits, or maybe up to like hail up to like 5 inches of diameter, like DVD sized hail, which
we only had
was
that. We only had DVD size hail a few times, but that is there's a possibility we got that today. The highest risk that the Storm Prediction Center is saying.
However, a wind risk could definitely be upgraded to level 2 sig if possible, but it's entirely not out of the question yet, because even if damaging winds could end up being the case, but the upgrade to a level 2 sig for wind driven is definitely not out of the question.
Yeah.
Because it might be a possibility.
And
It
just so y'all
could
know,
end up being a possibility for this.
This is a newer conversion tables if y'all want to know. So the primary risk is if I go to hail, if I look at hail, the max the risk could go is moderate on hail. It's 45% sig level 2. That's moderate.
Yeah. That's
Tornado.
level 2 sig is the highest one it can go.
Yeah. But widespread hail up to the size of grapefruits today. Possibility.
Yeah, softballs are grapefruit sized hail.
We could see in some scattered areas, in 1 or 2 supercells, we may see hail over 4.5 inches in size. That's possibility. But that's about it. That's the hail risk. 45% sig level 2. There's also 30% SIG level 2 for Omaha, Lincoln, Lawrence, St. Joseph, Council Bluffs. Anybody in these major cities, you're in a 30% SIG level 2. SIG level 1, I meant to say. You could also
Yeah.
be in the SIG level 1, like Woodwood.
Yeah,
Yeah.
which could be a possibility there. There could be a possibility, but it's not out of the question as the SVC would upgrade the wind risk to level 2 SIG.
If that happens, it'll still be enhanced. And if the risk gets upgraded, then it'll probably be a moderate risk for wind.
Yeah, if it gets to like 45% level 2 SIG or something like that, then that's a chance that could be a true high end moderate.
Right now we have a high, and moderate. But if it gets upgraded, if the wind risk gets upgraded to moderate, that'll be a high end moderate. Huh, you get what I mean? Yeah, but that's
Yeah.
about it. We'll be tracking severe weather throughout the day today. We have a severe thunderstorm warning up here in Missouri.
Yeah, and plus the mesoscale discussion just came out for the area. Probability of watch issuance is 95%. This is a tornado watch likely. South central Kansas into southeast Nebraska and northwestern Missouri. This could be a favorable environment for all severe hazards, including very large giant hail and strong to intense tornadoes will develop for the afternoon. A tornado watch is likely this afternoon.
The tornado watch might get issued here very soon. A severe thunderstorm warning has also been issued for the entire state of southern Michigan, including the coastal waters.
Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, we also got an SVA in effect for. Yeah, because we have a huge slight risk goes all the way from Texas all the way up to Michigan.
And tomorrow, speaking of tomorrow, there's a very unlikely chance I go live tomorrow. I used to go live during if I'm not busy, I'll go live during high and enhanced risks. But during the moderates and high risks, I will be going live. At least I'll try to.
Yeah, because speaking of day 2, we have a huge slight risk over this one over by Young. This goes from Texas all the way up to the northeast.
A widespread significant.
This goes all the way up to Vermont.
The primary risk for tomorrow is wind and hail. But they like the
Yeah,
big.
but with Detroit.
This is like
Detroit.
Shit. This is like the longest slight risk I've seen in a long time. The longest slight risk I've seen in a while. This probably goes on 4,000 miles. I won't be surprised. Goes from edge to edge.
Surprisingly. It may be a possibility that it might go enhanced. One of these slight risks, any other slight risk can possibly be upgraded to an enhanced.
The area where I would say it probably go enhanced, probably Texas, southern Texas, where that tornado risk and that SIG level 1 wind risk is. I mean hail.
Oh, there it is. Tornado. Oh, it's PDS. PDS Tornado Watch.
PDS Tornado Watch. We just got issued. PDS Tornado Watch just got issued. Here it is, right here.
My man's about to go off.
Yeah, go ahead. Get that alert.
South with gusts to 28. Topeka was 75 and cloudy. Winds for southeast with gusts to 26. Kansas City was 73 and partly sunny. Winds for southeast with gusts to 28. Once again at noon, Wichita was 86 and mostly sunny. The Scott Eisenhower National Climate Summary for the next.
There we go.
Whereas,
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 222, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Marion and McPherson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large shell and damaging winds, both in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
And we just got a PDS Tornado Watch just now. Is this up to actually load? Otherwise, are you broken? Yeah, I think otherwise might be broken. It needs to show everything.
oh,
But we just got a PDS
yeah,
Tornado
there it
Watch.
is. Okay. Just got a PDS Tornado Watch. I just got notified on Twitter as well. And I just realized that I look at it, I was like, yep, that's PDS.
And Alert WX sent me a notification. I'll send it in the chat, I guess. There it is.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do my screen share.
No, I'm not gonna be paying attention to that since I'm live.
Yeah, since we're live on it. Here's my screen share on that one. This is a particularly dangerous situation, tornado watch until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Several strong tornadoes likely. Several strong tornadoes likely for Salina, Kansas, Great Bend, Kansas. Goes all the way up to Beatrice, Nebraska. Scattered hail up to apple size likely, and scattered gusts up to 70 miles an hour likely. Yeah, this is affecting almost 418,000 people, 298 schools, and 45 hospitals in the path of this dangerous
Here it is
tornado
right here.
outbreak.
Here it is right here. Since weather-wise will not load, I want to send it. I want to show it here. The National Service has a tornado watch. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Anybody in these highlighted counties, you are under a PDS tornado watch. This is going to be a potential dangerous afternoon for anybody in this highlighted area.
Oh, yeah, Omaha got that too.
Yep. Anybody in this highlighted area. Anybody, even people outside of the watch area, you need to, this is very urgent. You need to be paying very close to weather today. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a public information outlook about how significant this day will be. Anybody in these highlighted areas, you're now under a tornado watch. And it's PDS, particularly dangerous situation until 8 p.m. tonight. Primary threats include several tornadoes. Primary threats include several tornadoes, and a few intense tornadoes are likely. Scattered large hail and isolated very large hail. Events up to 3 inches in diameter are likely. Scattered damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour are likely. Rapid supercell development is expected over north central Kansas. These storms will track northeastward through the afternoon across the watch area into far
Or southeast Nebraska.
what the heck? My phone has got shut off. Hold on. I want to do something real quick. I think my phone has crashed. But what the heck? My cellular got shut off. Crappy AT&T.
Uh-oh.
But the
Yeah.
watch when the
I'm gonna
tornado
take a
watch.
look at Omaha right now. Look at Omaha. Oh my god! Racing Energy got the PDS. Racing Energy 12 stations got a
Paid the internet
PDS.
bill.
His main station, WXM20, he got the PDS.
Summary: Rapid supercell development is expected over north central Kansas. These storms will track northeastward through the afternoon across the watch area into far southeast Nebraska. Instability and shear parameters suggest the potential for intense tornadoes along with very large hail and damaging winds. The tornado watch area is approximately, yeah, that's the dimensions and stuff. This is the watch, and it doesn't show the script. Text. I'm trying to see the
Caller,
text.
fire warning. 6P. 6P.
Well, my 5G got shut off.
Chance, can you get 6P?
I'm live right now. Hold on.
Alright, I gave you some time.
Restart iPhone.
No.
6P.
Yeah.
There's a fire warning in Collier County, WEA.
Wait, what?
There's a
Fire warning in Collier.
Hilly, your mic's so bad.
WGCU could have gone off.
It was WEA only.
Places to celebrations.
What'd you say, Chance?
Your mic is so bad.
Ah, dang it. I'm on the other device. That's why.
They could have told fire products, but
AT&T service outage.
mhm. Oh, what the frick, Miami?
I'll be back. I got to go do something.
Huh. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm back. Okay. Because it doesn't show any tell anything. Need to say it's script and it does not. Spit that one is over here. Oh, 70 miles per hour, shit. Oh, yeah. Calhoun, Allegan, Kent, Ottawa, Barry, Kalamazoo counties in Michigan. A severe thunderstorm warning, 70 miles per hour. Long thunderstorms. Up here. And still, okay, we got first severe thunderstorm warning in the tornado watch. Look at this, already almost considerable. Republic in Clyde County in north central Kansas. You have 1.5 inch hail coming your way. Storms are starting a fire in this area. We have a storm starting a fire into the tornado watch area. Kind of a localized tornado watch. Well, not really. We are going to see a particularly potential dangerous afternoon for this watch area. This is a particularly dangerous situation watch. Storms may cause one to two intense severe tornadoes are expected today, and large hail up to 4 inches in diameter today. It's the first severe thunderstorm warning for this tornado watch area. Public in Clyde County, north central Kansas. Storms are starting to fire. Go up here. We have a line of thunderstorms in Michigan and Indiana. 70 miles per hour. Calhoun, Allegan, Kent, Ottawa, Barry, Kalamazoo counties in Michigan. Please expect winds up to 70 miles per hour. Fort Wayne. You have stuff coming your way. Noble and Windy counties in Indiana. In Indianapolis, you have stuff coming your way too. Morgan, Johnson, Hendricks, Marion, Boone, Hamilton, and Putnam counties in Indiana. There also includes downtown Indianapolis. Why don't we just wait for storms to stop falling? Something else good, like a considerable or destructive gets issued out of this watch area. It might need to extend it, expand it.
Marine warning. No, Miami, Marine warning. 6B, Marine warning.
6B, Miami, Marine warning.
Try to go out to the beach.
Seriously, Miami.
Wait, there's no notification that it went over. Oh, never mind, I see it. Six bit your 120 go. Oh, we got a new severe dinosaur warning. Anybody in?
Motherfucker,
Alright. We have a new severe dinosaur warning for it's considerable, 70 miles per hour. Lincoln, Ellsworth, and Russell County in central Kansas. Wait, destructive.
whoa, what?
Destructive in Michigan.
Uh-oh.
Alright, anybody tuning in, we have a destructive severe dinosaur warning. EDS! What the hell? Okay. We have a destructive severe dinosaur warning. 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Allegan, Kent, and Berry counties in Michigan. You have a destructive severe dinosaur warning for your area. Please expect winds up to 80 miles per hour. It is very close to Grand Rapids. Very close. With a destructive severe dinosaur warning. And it's been a show too. There's some good wind weather too. Destructive severe dinosaur warning for Michigan. It's an extremely dangerous situation. I haven't seen that before. I would not expect this. In the marginal. I mean, in slightest percent.
Dude,
Slightest
extremely
severe weather.
dangerous situation.
He has an EDS. I would not expect an EDS.
PDS, nah, we got EDS.
Oh, sharp one. No.
There's some small hill in that Grand Rapids SPR. They are big. CXP, there's hail in that marine warning in the Miami marine warning.
Haley,
What?
take my live stream and put it in the group chat.
The live stream?
Yeah, my live stream.
Okay, got you.
Yeah. Excuse me. Yet again.
Tired?
Yeah, I just woke about 2 hours ago.
Same here.
EDS, severe dancing money. I've never seen this before.
EDS is kind of rare.
Yeah, it is rare. It's 80 miles per hour. I'd expect an EDS to be like 100 miles for like 100 miles per hour.
Or 90.
Something around there, yeah. I think PDS is actually 90 or something. Regular destructive is like base level destructive, like 80 miles per hour. But EDS is crazy.
15 minutes for that marine warning expires. I'm just tracking the Miami storm.
Flying, freezing,
I'll
dangerous
tell you,
homes,
but
count without shelter, mobile homes will be heavily damaged. 6P. Algen, Kent, Berry counties, Michigan. You have 80 miles per hour.
I gotta get metal clip. Metal clip it. I'm gonna go on my other computer see if and fuck it up.
You know, I'm gonna open a different weather app where I could tell what monies are which, like this. What are you doing, ball?
I'm gonna go download the. If I'm making a noise, I'm sorry. I have Tourette's sometimes.
Ryan is going live in 30 minutes.
What do you say?
Ryan is going live in 30 minutes.
Ryan Hall.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Now I could go on this website to escape the tornado watch and stuff. But instructive here is crazy. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado like wind speed is expected.
I don't know. Alright, who's gonna get the function today?
6P.
Let me check.
We have an EDS in Michigan.
EDS.
EDS.
We have an EDS SVR in Michigan.
Yeah, dead ass. In Michigan. That's an
What?
extremely dangerous situation.
I know Michigan just said this is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected.
Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned.
Yeah. I
Our friend
in
is
Miami
not.
just issued a Marine warning while I was doing the dishes.
Our friends that are scattered throughout the United States that doesn't have an interest in EAS. That's one reason why I'm doing this live stream. One reason. It's just some of my friends are in the risk. That's why I'm doing it. When anybody else wants to tune in and ask about their area, if they want to get any severe weather later, or ask about what's going on, you can.
Laptop there.
Fuck, I just clicked something.
Anybody that tuned in, feel free to type your county in. Or let's say you live in northeastern Kansas. That's all you need to do. And tell me, what's the primary hazards?
That Marine warning expires in 11 minutes 60.
I'll try not to make it too complicated.
Oh. Yo, I'm trying to get metal. Trying to log into metal. Correct. Nope, I don't give a shit.
Yes, I can't believe it. I can't believe yesterday, May 17th, that should have gotten a freaking TOR. for Lee. But no. Stiffy TVW decided to call it another unwarranted County tornado.
Well, TVW is fat.
Like, bro.
And guess what? TBW decided to call it a land spout.
Like, bro. I cannot believe it.
TWAFD. Yep. Come on. Where's Boys? Incoming Miami Marine warning soon.
6P.
Oh, come on now. What?
Miami Marine morning
Got
coming.
like 5 minutes. You got like 5 minutes. Don't worry.
Oh, God.
Well, yeah, 5 minutes.
We have a noose.
Go ahead.
We have a noose Vithon some
That's
morning. For Calhoun, Iona, Eaton, and Montcalm counties in Michigan. Expect 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Yo, can anyone hear me?
Who joined?
That was me. Can anyone hear me?
You're very low.
Bro. No, I'm switching to voice phone.
Talk again. I turn your volume up.
Is this better?
Yeah.
Already.
Oh, that's for Indianapolis.
this better?
No.
Okay, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but quiet as hell.
It's the headphones' fault, bro. Fuck, my voice might broke.
It's always the headphones there. It's always the head.
3 minutes. Oh.
So I guess I must stop right now.